Now that we've concluded the Invescoization of the Argus model, the next step in the process is exporting the cash flows from the Argus model to Invesco's proprietary Excel model. And this is actually very simple. Now, just some background on Invesco's model. The model is driven principally by, or not principally, exclusively by monthly cash flows. So from the Argus model, we will export cash flows on a monthly basis. We will also export annual cash flows, and the annual cash flows are used only for the calculation of a rebuy analysis that we can talk about later. But for all intents and purposes, the element that drives the Argus model principally, the cash flows that drive the Excel model are the monthly cash flows from Argus. So with our Argus model open and the Excel model open, we go to Reports, Property Level, select the frequency is annually. Under the Reports, it needs to be Schedule of Cash Flow from Operations. Click on the Options button. The range of years for annual reports needs to be 1 to 21. The months for monthly reports is 1 to 168. And you need to make sure that this display zeros is also checked, this box. So once that's done, click OK, click View. With your focus in the box here that says for the years ending, you can hit Shift, the down arrow, and End. Essentially what we want to do is copy all 21 years of cash flows. Okay? Control C, which is the clipboard function here, that's the copy function with Argus, and go to your Excel financial model. Now, the Rebuy CF is the annual cash flow, we'll call it a dump page for lack of better terms. So click on Rebuy CF, place your focus in this red box, which is A14. So it's critically important that when you paste these cash flows, you are putting your starting point for the paste in A14, and then do Control V to paste the cash flows. So the annual cash flows have been imported. Now you can go back to your Excel model, click Close, or your Argus model, click Close, select Monthly, and View. Same thing, so put your focus in for the months box, Shift, page down, End to get all 168 months, Control C, or clipboard, go to your Excel model, go to the CF.com page, okay? Place your focus in the, again, the red box, which is A6, Control V, or paste that. So we get all 168 months now in this here, okay? So that then allows you to go back to your input page and begin to price the asset. Now, I will do a separate section on pricing the asset momentarily, but for the purposes of what we're trying to accomplish today, I wanted you to have the ability to see how you get the cash flows out of Argus into Excel.